4-day instructions to polling parties. Point number 1, connecting CU, BU, VVPAT. Point number 2, conduct of mock poll and verification of mock poll. Point number 3, sealing of control unit and ballot slips compartment of VVPAT after the mock poll. Point number 4, start of actual poll. Point number 5, replacement of EVM and VVPAT during the mock poll. Point number 6, replacement of EVM and VVPAT during actual poll. Point number 7, close of poll. Point number 1, connecting CU, BU and VVPAT. The VVPAT and BU should be placed in the voting compartment. BU cable should be connected to VVPAT. CU should be placed along with presiding officer, and the connecting cable of VVPAT should be connected to CU. These are the two connections to be made. Point number 2, conduct of mock poll and verification of mock poll. Place the BU and VVPAT in the actual voting compartment. VVPAT must be on the left side of BU. Place CU on the table of the presiding officer. Unlock the paper roll knob of VVPAT before switching on the CU. Start the mock poll 90 minutes before actual poll if 2 or more polling agents are available. Wait for 15 minutes if 1 or no polling agents are available, and then at least 50 votes should be cast during the mock poll in the presence of candidates or his agents. Ensure the votes are recorded for each of the contesting candidate, including the nota. After the mock poll is completed, press the close button on CU, press the result button on CU to ascertain the mock poll result and tally with the record. Remove mock poll VVPAT slips from VVPAT and tally with the control unit result. Press the clear button on CU to clear the mock poll result from CU and show to the polling agents. Press the total button to confirm 0 votes in CU. Fill the mock poll certificate part 1 of presiding officer report carefully and obtain the signatures of all the polling officers and polling agents on it. Point number 3, sealing of CU and ballot slips compartment of VVPAT after the mock poll. After the mock poll, the VVPAT paper slip should be removed and stamped on the back side with rubber stamp having inscription mock poll slip. Thereafter, these mock poll VVPAT slips shall be kept in an envelope made of thick black paper and seal the envelope with pink paper seal. Switch off the control unit before sealing. Seal the inner and outer doors of the control unit with green paper seal, special tag and address tag. Ensure that the ballot compartment of VVPAT is empty before the actual poll and the ballot slips compartment is sealed with the thread and address tag before the actual poll starts. Obtain the signatures of polling agents on seals and form wherever required. Point number 4, start of actual poll. Switch on the control unit. Press total button of CU to confirm 0 votes and show to the polling agents. Before the first voter signs in Form 17A, that is the register for voters, the polling officer 1 shall check with the presiding officer and record in ink in Form 17A that total in the control unit checked and found to be 0. Point number 5, replacement of EVM and VVPAT during the mock poll. Note, all error messages of BU, CU and VVPAT will be displayed on CU only. Please read the message and act accordingly. In case ballot unit does not work properly during the mock poll, replace BU only from the reserve BU. In case control unit does not work properly during mock poll, replace control unit only from reserve CU. In case VVPAT does not work properly during mock poll, replace VVPAT only from the reserve VVPAT. Point number 6, replacement of EVM VVPAT during actual poll. Note, all error messages of BU, CU and VVPAT will be displayed on CU only. Please read the message and act accordingly. In case during the actual poll, control unit or ballot unit does not work properly, replace the complete set of BU, CU and VVPAT. In such case, only one vote to each contesting candidate including vota should be polled in the mock poll and the procedure followed. In case CU shows error, replace VVPAT, switch off the control unit and replace VVPAT. No mock poll is required. In case CU shows error, replace power pack of VVPAT, switch off the control unit and replace only the power pack of VVPAT. No mock poll is required. In case CU shows error, replace power pack of CU, switch off the control unit and replace only the power pack of CU and seal the power pack compartment of CU. No mock poll is required. Point number 7. Close of poll. After the poll is completed, press the close button of CU. Press total button of CU to note total votes polled in CU and also poll start time and poll end time. Remove the power pack from VVPAT. After prescribed forms have been carefully and duly filled, disconnect the ballot unit and VVPAT from the control unit and seal them in their respective carrying cases.